Kumusta ka? Mabuti ka? How are you?
How are you? We're good.
Good? Yes. Very good. Huh? Yes, I'm alone, but now I'm with you guys. I'm not alone now.
Are you a
Thank
vlogger?
you. Yes, I am.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you.
Cebu.
Cebu. Yes. Where we are now? What is the name of the area?
Mantalungon, Barili.
Mantalurung?
Barili.
Barili. Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't know that. Did you swim? Yeah?
It's cold. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
But it's good because it's hot.
Yes.
It's very hot. Yeah. Have I eaten already? I had some food before, yeah. I had in the market down below. Very good food. Yeah. I got some fruit. You want some fruit? Yeah? We can share.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah?
We're good.
Wapa!
Go for it.
Who's the girlfriend? Ah, Wapa. I'm joking. I am from Ireland.
Ireland.
Ireland, yes. What did you say?
Cow. Cow. Are you a vlogger?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
What's his YouTube channel?
How many subscribers? 2.
Million. What is the name of
No, just 2 people. My mom and dad. Yeah. But now I have 3.
What is the name?
And 4 and 5.
What's your YouTube?
My YouTube is Modraj, my name.
In Facebook, what is it?
It's the same. All the same, yeah. Yeah. Subscribe.
You know Mark Waynes?
Who?
Mark Waynes?
Mark Waynes. Yeah, I know Mark
You
Waynes.
know?
Oh, Tinder match! Yeah! You got a Tinder match! Let's check it out! What is the match? It's got a notification. We wanted to see Tinder, man.
No, but you haven't searched your
Here you go.
channel.
The connection here is low. Oh, there it is.
Yes, that is.
Yeah.
That was.
That's me.
So what's your name again?
Modraj. Yeah. I'm unsure about the sound with the guys, but that was actually a lot of fun. Even though off camera as well, I still continue chatting with them. See you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.